All right, hey you guys, welcome to my channel. So today I've got a bob curly wig, perfect for summer, the warmer weather coming up. So if you're interested, let's just go ahead and get right into this video. All right, y'all, so today I'm partnering with Wig Encounters, and I have on their 12-inch curly wig. It is 150% density with baby hair around the perimeter, and it does come with a natural pre-plucked hairline and 4-inch parting space. This wig has already been washed and I bleached the knots, and now I'm just going in to pluck the hairline a little bit more. I've been doing this on all of my wigs lately just so I can get more practice in. You could have definitely skipped this part if you wanted to. However, I just think that plucking it even just a little bit just makes it a little bit more natural no matter what wig you come into contact with. So I'm just gonna show you guys what it looked like before and then what it took for, like, I think I probably plucked this side for maybe 5 minutes. I did not spend a long time plucking at all. So here it is before, the side I have not plucked yet, and then this is the side that I did pluck. So it's not perfect, but it does look a little bit more natural and gives you a smoother transition. So now I'm just gonna go in and lay this wig. I'm be honest with you guys, it was all me. I have not been working with wigs as much as I usually do, and I feel like I'm just like struggling lately. So yeah, I do my normal steps, which is just cut the lace. So I'm doing like 2 slits in the lace for it to lay much easier. And this is Swiss lace, so it's durable, but it's a little bit, you know, it's not as soft. So if you're someone who's a little bit harder on your wigs, this is a great option for you. And I'm just using my little eyebrow razor, which is horrible. This is a horrible cheap one, to cut the lace off, and then just going in with some freeze spray to spray it all down and try my best to melt it. You guys, I was on the struggle bus, and I just knew this wig was gonna take me like 2 seconds to lay in style, and I was just like, yes. But you know, that happens. So yeah, anyways, just going in and blow drying it down, laying it like I normally do. I do this all the time. I never switch it up, you guys. I know I need to, or maybe I don't, but yeah, just blowing it down. And then this is how it's looking afterwards. I didn't do a middle part. I almost like decided to, but I thought it would look better as a side part because I didn't want to cut it yet. And I thought maybe if I did it as a middle part, I would have to cut it. You know what I mean? Because I think it just would look a lot better if it was a blunt cut, middle part, that kind of thing. So just taking my design essentials and just gonna lay my baby hair down like I do all the time. I love this stuff. I do have it in my Amazon store. Everything that I use is in my Amazon store, so check the link below, but I think it's out at the moment, so you can also find it at Sally's. So after I finished struggling with laying my baby hair, and the thing I love about curly hair in this wig is that curly hair, for me, I can always get away with just laying more exaggerated like baby hair versus like straight hair. So I was just like, you know what, this is just gonna work for today. Big swoops, it's a lot going on, but it works. So just taking my little strips and just blow drying it down so that it just speeds up the process. And this is what we are working with after I put on a little makeup. And now I'm just gonna simply style this wig. So it is 150% density, like I said. I think this would be good in 180 if it's offered as well, but 150 is, I thought it was really nice. I went outside in it. We're on my patio because you know we can't really go nowhere, so I was outside on my patio with it. I felt very comfortable. It's super lightweight, but to me it wasn't too thin either. So if you like super thick curly hair, you probably wouldn't like this. But if you want something very low maintenance, you don't have to do much to it, you get hot very easily like I do and just don't want a lot of hair, then you will probably like this. So just taking some of that design essentials and adding that to my hair. I did not take a lot of this product, and I didn't really want a lot of product period because I didn't want crunchy curls. I thought the curls on this wig were absolutely beautiful. Like, I thought they were really, really pretty. The hair was super super soft. I did wash it with my Aussie, and then I let it air dry just a bit. And yeah, you don't even really need to brush it, you guys. I'm brushing it just to show you how the curls come out, but I thought the curls were really nice. The density was nice. Overall, this wig was pretty, I was like pretty impressed. I'm not gonna lie, this is my first time working with Wig Encounters, and I was like, okay, they may have something going on. All my fellow mamas, I think you would like this style of wig. It's very low maintenance, and Darren, my husband, actually he sees me in wigs all the time, you guys, so it's like nothing new to him, but he was like, he loved this one. I was very shocked. I was like, okay, well, if he really like it, then I must be cute. So yeah, I think you guys would really like it. Like I said, very low maintenance, and not even just my mamas, just all my ladies in general. I know we're still staying at home. I know it's getting tough for us to just social distancing, and some states are starting to open back up. You guys be careful. But so far, I think this is it's a decent wig to have in your stash. So like I'm doing right here, not really doing too much, you guys, to it. I don't have to add in a lot of product or anything like that. The wig also fit me very comfortably. I have a larger size head, so I typically go for, you know, larger wigs, like if it's available, but this is a regular average cap size, and I was very comfortable in it. It literally feels like I have nothing on my head, because typically I will get a headache real fast, y'all. So I'm just gonna snip off a little bit of the back. I thought the transition from the front and like from the front going to the back was a little off, so it's kind of like I needed to either cut some inches or I needed it to be like a little longer on me. So just doing that, and that's really all that I did, just shaking out the curls, and that's it, you guys. So if you guys have any questions, comments, anything like that, please put them down below. Wig details will be down below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.